Hello friends, this is our new 90 liters UV chamber machine. This machine is completely stainless steel. It has 411 watt UV light and it is being made with made in India, completely made in India. Now this machine is operative while switching on the main power switch and turning on the power LED indicator. Now once this power LED indicator is turned on, you can set the desired timer from 1 to 10 minutes according to your need. Now let's say in this category we have designed the timer for 5 minutes. Now the moment the timer has been designed for 5 minutes, the machine is operative and the UV light is turned on. You can see the UV light through this window and it is turned on. Now once you will restart the machine, the 5-minute timer will restart. Now once you will open the machine, due to auto door safety sensor, the light will turn off and you will be completely safe from the UV exposure. This machine has two shelves and these are big capacity shelves which can easily hold a height up to a laptop and a width up to a king size file folder. In this shelf you can use multiple items at a time and it will be a very effective machine to sanitize at a single process. Now once you will close this door, the machine and the timer will restart to 5 minutes. Please note this timer is a one time set timer. You don't have to set for same operative time each time you use the timer. As in, let's say once the sanitization process is complete in 5 minutes, this light will turn off. Now again, once you restart for the next items, you just have to turn on this button. You don't have to set this timer for 5 minutes again and again. The machine will be for 5 minutes. Now let's say you need to sanitize another product for 1 minute only, then you need to set off this timer for only 1 minute and you need to restart the machine. Now the timer has been set for 1 minute and you don't need to change the timer accordingly. Also, this machine has been given with an extra pair of legs which will be given to you and they are installed at the bottom for leveling of the tabletop, because we have seen that some of the tabletops are not leveled. I hope you liked our demo of this product, and this product is available on Amazon. Thank you.